Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add external links to your YouTube channel. That's pretty simple. You have to download an app from Google Play Store named YT Studio. I'm gonna download it. You have to search on the search bar YT Studio, and then you have to open the app and you have to select your channel. After then you will see an interface like this. Then you have to click on the profile icon of your channel, and then you will see a pencil icon here. You have to click on that, and then you will get an option to add or change the links in your channel. You have to click on that, and here you can edit or add some other external links to your channel. If you click on this add button, you can add a title for your link. Example, I am adding a title here, page. Here I am adding an URL, and if you click on this done button, the link named page is added to your channel. And now if you click on this save button, all of the links will be saved. So that's all how you can add external links to your YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox Tech Lab.